I said D6 Spanky. The letter D, the number 6, Spanky. Thanks for watching channel D6 Spanky. Don't forget to mash the subscribe button before you get too far into this video. So this is the oil filter canister, aka oil bath, aka bypass oil filter canister. Yeah. There's a big debate on whether one should have put an oil filter on these old stove bolt engines or not. They were not standard equipment before 1963 on Chevy cars or trucks. They were offered, however, as a production option, so they could throw them on them for you. You could also get them aftermarket. Regardless, this 54 Chevy has one, and I need to clean it thoroughly. So this tube here is what I need to clean. I've already cleaned everything out. You can see it's very clean. But I wasn't sure how to quite get into that because the little pipe cleaners they sell at craft stores, those are made out of cotton. Those aren't going to work. They fall apart anyway. You need something nylon or a metal brush, and they don't sell either of those for this diameter. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our own nylon brush to get in here and just give it a little quick scrub. And you can see it's threaded on this end. Just shove that in your face a little bit and see if you can see the light through. And there's a little bit of junk in there that I need to clean out. You probably can't see it, but that's all right. Trust me, there's stuff in here. We need to get this stuff cleaned out. Now I did some shopping and I found these in the baby section of our local Walmart. And these are special little pipe cleaners for cleaning special baby bottles. It's rather complicated, but regardless, the diameter is too narrow, although ideally that's what you want. It's also the handles are too short. But this is really kind of what I'm looking for. So what I did is I went and bought just a regular baby bottle cleaner with these handy dandy nylon brushes, and I'm going to show you how to make your own. Like I said, this is just a generic bottle brush, but what we're going to do is I'm going to get a pair of pliers. Get the pliers. All right, I got the pliers, and what I'm going to do is this end is bent over, so I'm going to unbend it and straighten it out so we have a nice tip and it can taper down in. Now you can't just like cut this off. Well, you might be able to. I can't just cut it off. So that's why I'm unbending it. And then we're going to start clipping away. And this part takes forever, so be prepared for fast forward. So you want to do this over a paper bag so you don't have these stupid little brush particles everywhere. And oh my goodness, it makes such a mess if you don't do this way over a bag or a trash can. You just sit on the bench and do it and get comfortable. But your hand's going to get sore from the scissors. So do be prepared for that. You may have to take a break. This just takes forever. So we're going to put this in fast forward for you so you don't have to sit here through so much of it. Okay, I trimmed it down. Let's give it another go. Oh, yes. Come on. All right. This is going to work. Really, this should probably be a little smaller, but I'm going to twist it and pull it up. Oh, come on. So I should have cut it down just a little bit more. As you can see, you just kind of back it out by basically unscrewing it, which also cleans it at the same time. So, go me. So if you would like to see me actually use the proper tools for these types of things, then feel free to become a patron rather, at patreon.com/d6spanky. Let me just throw up a logo here and wave it around in your face. There we go. And as always, you can follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Thanks, guys, for watching.